Those goofy ass shorts, bro.
Alright.
I'm not feeling for this game.
You go to yeah.
How you feeling before this game? What do you have to say?
I'm feeling really good, dog.
Gavin, what do you have to say?
All I know is I'm gonna shit on this kid, so
First quarter interview? What do you think?
We're in this, bro. That is what it is. We're in this.
Gavin, what do you have to say?
This is the outcome I expected. I'm honestly a little disappointed about it because I should be up by more, but it's alright.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Can we get a zoom on the score? It's 23 to 18, first quarter. Zach, what do you have to say? Final words.
Overconfidence is a bitch, bro. We'll see.
Oh shit. Alright, halftime thoughts? Zach?
I love a good game, bro.
Let's see what Gavin has to say.
Same comment from the first quarter. Yeah.
Okay, but come on, give us a little more.
Lead grew by, but that's not enough.
Let's go. Yeah,
Alright, Zach just lost. What do you have to say about this devastating loss?
happy, bro.
Yeah? Second place?
Second place, bro. Like they say, first is the worst, second is the best. Who the fuck says that?
Team played very well today. Yeah, sometimes your opponent just can't handle how good your offense is.
Yeah.
Still have a lot of respect for the coach because I wouldn't have showed my face after that.
Oh, shit.
So.
But like laminate, like glossy. No, I have the two images, like it's two like characters, and then just the text to put on it. Okay. Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Kind of messed up, but
No, this was pretty nice. I mean, I'm not one to judge. My eyes can't even play the fucking...
I kind of want to leave it a little to people's interpretation. I think that's when you create a good story. When anyone because think about it, like people perceive like a story based off their perspective, right? Like some people watching this might not even understand what this is about. Like they'll be like, oh, like I guess some just kids walking, talking, and like whatever, fucking around. And some people will be like, damn, from the title maybe too, like damn, this is an allegory about life and how human beings are innately unloyal or whatever the fuck, right? Like there's gonna be all these different perspectives, which is fine. Like I would like to go for that anyway, and I wouldn't want to like sit down and like hold people's hands through the story. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Like I don't want to. It all depends on who you are and how you see it, right? And it doesn't matter. Like the story does not matter. It's how what you want to take from it, and that's kind of the point of this too. Like you can just think it's like, oh, you like you said, like this should just be about college life, whatever. That's fine. If you think that this is debunking the glorification of college life in movies and whatever in media, that's fine. If that's what you take from it, that's okay.
Not the glorification, but like more degrading. Because like it's not as hype that they make it out in films. I feel like that's the reason why every person wants to go to college, for that film like college experience.
Yeah.
But like there's so much more to it. There's so much more that they're not telling us that you just have to experience for yourself. And it can be kind of a letdown at first, but there are good moments that feel like you're in the film.
So, but if you want to like see it that way, that's fine. If you want to be like, oh, this is actually what it's like, which it probably isn't. Like, right? Like some people can go to college and actually live it like it's Project X, which is fine.
I love that movie.
Yeah, you would love that. But I'm saying like, you know, like I was kind of I just as long as I don't know though.
No, I think you explained it very well, and I think you should use this clip in the beginning of your documentary.
Yeah.
Yeah, because like this angle is fucking good. Like an interview angle.
Yeah. But yeah, like, because there's a lot of shots of people sitting here too that you'll see later too. It's kind of like it'll be like a cool little. But yeah, so yeah, okay. I guess this will be our introduction actually.
Yeah.
So for those of you that are watching, I hope you enjoy it. You know, take it as it is. Whatever you want to think of it, that's fine. I'll figure something out. You know, I'll try to hold your hands a little bit, not too much, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
We'll have you like, this is Forrest.
Do you want their names so that we can just do like a whole list of bleeping out?
Yeah.
10-second bleep out. Okay.
Alright.
Who else? Who's that motherfucker? Alright.
Good.
Who, oh man, there's a lot of people. Benny.
Really?
No.
No, just be honest.
He would probably say some sus shit. But.
Be honest, just be honest. Like this is you know, like your raw opinion.
Mm-hmm.
Why? So can you explain on Benny? Why would Benny say something?
It's just my like tonality towards the guy.
Yeah.
So, like he's very friendly.
Yeah.
I feel like he gets he's avoidant of certain things.
Like what?
Like the first time that I met the guy, you know, I didn't have a very great introduction to Benny.
Yeah.
And,
Why was it not good?
well, I met him at a show at Unitarian.
Okay.
And I won't say the name just because that's like too detailed, but I met him years, like over a year before I actually was like friends. The first time I met her, she mentioned that she was friends with him because he had started Blood Money, and I was actually supposed to be a part of that band. I met him on my first nights on campus through a window, and he asked to jam with me way before he actually started the band. He was a guitarist, and we never linked again until we actually went to that concert. And one of the things that he had said to my partner at the time was that Forrest is very like off and on what you consider good or not, you know. And everybody with my partner at the time, everyone that she's friends with, including Benny, used to be her fuck buddy.
Yes.
And that's everybody that I know pretty much in my life right now. And while it's not a comforting thought, only because I revel in the fact that I definitely pride like giving myself to somebody as a very intimate thing.
Yeah.
And I love the Henry Miller disposition of just sharing that. That's your human condition. You can give that. But having not experienced it myself, I think that I definitely had different opinions of people when I first met them. But disposing of that to begin with, I think definitely elevated myself versus them, because how must they think, being friends who put themselves on that level, think me, the one person that's like out of it, even though it's my thing.
Yeah.
And he was one of those people that meandered around it a bit. And I remember first meeting him that I knew I had to have a good disposition towards him. And because I wouldn't be content with myself if I hadn't been for the person that I actually cared about.
Yeah.
You need my room and fully full of my clothes. But I can be. I know. Tracy's like, I need everything. I love my fucking room. Your room is nothing compared to mine. Well, I just shoved it all in my closet. I want to see the lie. I just walk on the floor. What happened to your queen? Over there.
Leveraging our influence and whatever purpose we have, and leading in to our allies, activating real allyship, so we can get through this together. We are
I saw Michael. Of people walking.
Yeah, just like in case I need it.
That seems very important. In case you need the people walking.
You never know. You could use a shot for something. And like the bell ringing too.
And we talking.
Yeah, I guess. You got like 30 seconds. How's your weekend? Why do you look like a mom today?
I do not look like a mom today, asshole.
Really?
You have a lot of crap on my wall. My favorite movie.
Yeah? You'd be like the diva of the show?
No, I don't think so.
No, yeah, I definitely don't think so. Out of all the characters that will be introduced in this, I think you were definitely like on the tamer side.
Really?
Out of the characters that will be introduced in this? Yeah, of course.
I don't know. No, yeah, you're.
That's what I'm saying.
No, you're definitely right. I don't think they're gonna fuck with you filming them.
Dude, shut up. You got lucky because you just know the director.
No, you know all of us.
No, but that's not the point.
No, but no, we're the closest.
You got the nepotism is what I'm saying.
Oh, I'm a nepto baby?
Yeah, you are.
Shit. Ew, that means I'm your child.
That's not how that works. If you help out a friend, like get him to a spot, that's nepotism still.
Really?
It doesn't have to be your kid, bro. Just because Will Smith's son is a nepo baby doesn't mean that all nepo babies are just children of someone that got them somewhere.
So you're my dad?
Just shut up, bro.
You're my dad.
I need to piss so bad.
Bye, Whoa.
Okay, do you want to introduce who Alex is for the sake of the interview?
Okay.
Yeah, for the sake of the narrative.
Who's
Alex?
For the sake of the narrative.
Yeah, who's Alex?
Alex is my ex-boyfriend.
I see. Okay.
That's
But why do you think he'll be a good addition to this?
because I'm pretty sure
It's
he
funny.
hates my guts.
He hates your guts?
He hates my guts.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
You have to interview about his TikTok.
What are you gonna do? DM him?
No. I can get into contact with.
Yes, please. That'd be so
Actually, that'd be
funny.
the icing on top.
No, yeah, it would, but we have to document more about like. So can you guys explain this is in this?
It's a temple celeb.
It's a temple celeb.
No, but what does he mean to you guys?
Hey, but what does
Gaslighting
an
too.
icon of fashion?
I see. Okay. Amelia, what does he mean to you?
He means short king.
That rides a skateboard and thinks he's so cool. And he worked at fucking what's it called? And I think he got fired from his job. And
Damn.
his mom
Damn, you just said no.
His
His
mom-
mom, man.
Go
his
ahead.
mom
found a journal of his. No! You can't expose this random man.
It's getting pretty deep. Go ahead, keep going.
Well, now I'm being told to stop, so I'm. Do you know if it's true?
What was in the journal?
Nobody knows if it's true.
What was in the journal though?
He like. Are you gonna censor his name?
I will.
Okay. Well, he had this journal, and apparently every time he had sex with his ex, he would log it into his journal, and apparently his mom found it, and I think his mom's cutting him off financially.
Because he had sex with his ex?
Well, she found the journal.
Oh, interesting. And is she like religious or something? Why does she care?
I think she comes from a religious family.
You're right there.
For safer streets, that's the first fucking happening,
Bro, what do you mean? If it's on the newspaper, it's true. Why is this? Oh, man.
Yep.
Wing
That
guard.
it is what it is. That's it. That's it, bro.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, bro. Broski's done for. Bro moved to North Philly.
He didn't move though, did he?
I think he did, bro, because I had like even last semester like parents walking down my block with like their freshman students asking me as I was walking my house, like, "Do you know where Jason Linkard lives?"
What?
Yes, and I was like, "Why would I know that?" First of all, second of all, what makes you think he's here? They're like, "Yeah, he moved here."
Oh, that's how you found out?
That's how I found out. But wasn't that was like kind of like the talk of the town for a minute? Like, so you seen him? What is this project like? Let me just see if I'll actually contribute.
It's hard to explain because like this project has changed. Like the subject of the project has changed so much that it's kind of hard to explain what it's even gonna be. But basically,
Have you been interviewing any randos or is it all friends?
for the most part, just people I know. But it's been a decent bit of people now. I was gonna interview this one random. He's not a random. I know him from someone, and he was talked shit about in one of the clips. And I was like, oh, I should interview him as like that, like complete it. But I don't know if I will.
I feel like I gotta talk some shit to.
All right, go ahead. Who do you have a bone to pick with?
Dude, I got a really big bone to pick with this kid, Harrison Hope, bro.
Who the fuck is Harrison Hope?
You know Harrison Hope, bro?
Is he a celebrity?
He's a dweeb, bro.
Who is he?
Absolute dweeb, bro. You know Harry. Harry's been Harry?
That's his full name, Harrison Hope?
Yeah, bro. Harrison.
Oh, I did not know
Harrison
his full
Hope,
name.
Bro. You see this? I'm gonna beat you up, John.
Okay. No, but for real, who do you actually have to? Anybody you want to call out?
Anybody gotta call out for some shit?
What about that one guy that was bothering Ample? Remember, with the gun? I forgot his name. The guy that like worked at her job.
Oh,
yeah.
That motherfucker Bradley.
Bradley.
Let me catch you in the fucking streets, bro.
Yeah.
Let me catch you in the fucking streets.
Okay.
This pussy ass kid, bro. I'm not gonna get into it.
No, get into it. Get into it. If you want to make this interesting, get into it. What's up, Salvan?
You guys doing that documentary?
Yeah, I am actually. Yeah, for class. It's yeah. What's up? That's the director of The Kiss right there. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro.
Nah,
But anyway.
This motherfucker thinks he's got a shot, bro.
But nah, get into it. Explain to the viewers. Like, I know the story,
This
but
motherfucker thinks that it's okay to try someone else's girl, bro. He thinks it's okay to threaten someone else's girl. I think it's okay to press someone else's girl. I think it's okay to pull some gun shit.
Gun? Wait, can you explain the gun part?
Like, he was trying to get her to go out to his fucking car with him during one of the breaks. She avoids him like the fucking plague. She's scared of it, bro. This kid's nuts. And he showed one of the other coworkers afterward like a fucking gun that I'm pretty sure was like unregistered and shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So,
all right.
Fuck that kid.
Yeah, do you have a message to Bradley? Let's hear it.
Go fuck yourself, pussy.
Oh.
I've seen a 14-year-old that looks like an 18-year-old. Am I crazy?
No one thinks it's crazy, but
I'm just saying.
Oh, are you okay with being on the camera? You didn't even ask
you
any.
consent
Why is
to
your name
camera.
Bug?
Yacine,
Why is it Bug?
what's your name?
I'm curious. No, but it's like your
Wait,
legal
you
name
met
is not
Yacine,
Bug.
right?
Yeah, we have met. But I'm saying your legal name is not Bug. Why is your
I'm
name?
trans.
Oh yeah, but why'd you pick Bug? I'm asking.
Oh, I thought you were just.
I thought you were just being a dickhead.
No.
Because that's my name.
Yeah, why'd you pick Bug?
So when I first moved to Temple in like 2020, one of my like suite mates just called me Bug, and it was like before I transitioned, and then I was like, I like being called Bug, so I didn't want to go by my dead name, and I don't know, it's hard to pick a new name.
No, Bug is cool.
So it's like, so I was like,
I was just
Bug
curious. No, I was not trying to be an asshole.
drive
Bug
a
is cool.
Volkswagen Bug?
Yeah, she did.
Oh,
She took her
there you go.
maternity
It's
photos
cute.
on it. I have
But
them
why'd
on
your
my
friend
phone.
call you Bug? Just a nickname?
Yeah, like a pet name.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Were you
I
their
liked
pet?
What?
Oh, I mean, you said it was a
Have you
pet
not
name.
heard someone say pet name before?
No, I'm just. You said pet name, so I was like, were you their pet? Like, did they like walk
Have
you
you
like?
have you not heard somebody say that before? It's like a nickname, a pet name. It's like a
You
it's
said
like
you
a term
pet.
of
I've heard
endearment.
nickname. I didn't hear pet.
Sometimes when you talk, you just shouldn't.
Yo. Can you see my dick?
No, I don't think you can see your
Welcome, guys. Start something great.
Wait, is it recording? Yeah, it is.
Okay, yeah. This is what's it called? What's it called? What did we decide it was called? Oh yeah.